Hey guys, so I wanted to show you guys just really quickly how you're going to attach your pure filter. This is the one I have. I don't know the model, but you want to attach your pure filter so you don't have to keep taking off the dishwasher and putting it on, unthreading it and doing all that. So the way you do it is really simple. So this is the adapter that comes with your dishwasher. And it's supposed to go here, right? And then you attach this thing here. It's already like inside this piece too when you first get it. So you want to make sure that you take that out, obviously. And this is what you're gonna do to attach the filter in between the dishwasher hose. So it's gonna be real easy. You're gonna come here, you get the filter, you see this bottom thread, just take it out. Obviously I already did it before, but just get a wrench, take it out. Next thing you're gonna do is take off one washer, and it won't fit two. And you're gonna thread that in right here.
So remove this.
You remove that washer, and there's another washer in there.
Okay.
And then just make sure you tighten that. So that's tight now. Then you're gonna take this piece here, which came with the faucet, it's in another adapter.
Faucet
with the pure filter. And then you're just gonna put this thread under the sink, like this. Make sure it's level when you thread it. When you put it in. Usually a hand tight isn't enough for this thing. And then what you're gonna do is grab your filter. You're going to put that in like that. Make sure you hear the click there. Yeah. So that's ready to go. Water comes out. Filtered water comes out on this end. Now, anytime you use your dishwasher, you can leave it on too. You're just gonna come here and put it under like that. And then the dishwasher gets water. Oh, whoa. Do that again. Make sure it's all the way in. There we go. And that's it. Now your dishwasher is going to get water and you'll be able to use it. And again, you can also just press that button. Get the faucet water out, but that's a hassle. So I would turn off the water. Turn that to drain the water, make sure it doesn't spray back. And let it out. And then just use the water that way. And that's how you attach your pure filter with the dishwasher hose. That's it.